So in this video, what I want to do is I want to add an effect to our coin. Imagine you were dropped into this game and you didn't really understand the objective. Pretty much you were told, go ahead and buy a weapon, but you have no money. So you're looking at this environment and you're just wondering, how do I play, right? Well, what if we could add some sort of significance to the coin from a distance? Like, how do I know that I can collect an object, right? Like, how do I know I can't pick up this box? Or how do I know I can even collect that coin? What we're gonna do is we're gonna add a simple particle that lets the player know, hey, I'm important. If you open up your game folder in your project view, underneath effects, we have a coin particle. If you go ahead and drag that into your scene, you'll see here that it's basically just a flash of light that says, it's like an eye catcher. So what I want to do is I want to take that coin particle and I want to child it to the coin and center its position to 0. So let's go ahead and place this coin particle. I'm going to remove it from the hierarchy and I'm going to drag the coin particle from the project into the coin to make it a child element. And as you can see here, we really don't have to do much work as it's already positioned very nicely. As you can see here, look at this little glow it has. So if we save our scene, go ahead and run Unity. Now, when you're looking through our level, you'll notice here that on the very far right of our, when we look at the coin, we can see a bit of flash of light. That gives significance that, hey, you can pick me up. Click the E key, there you go. Alrighty, quick and simple, but it adds a bit of detail to the game. I'll see you guys in the next video.